Hare Krishna. I'm at a very, very beautiful place in Kerala, right in between the very sacred natural setting is Punthanam's house. Now, what is the specialty of the house? I already told in another video. He went to Vaikunta from here. So Punthanam used to travel every Ekadashi from here to Guruvayur, which is Guruvayur Krishna temple. It is 100 kilometers away. It is mentioned as 100, but from here on the Google Maps it shows around 70 odd. So from the another specialty, one of the pastimes, there are many pastimes of Punthanam and the Supreme Lord. So here first you can see the house. See, here this is the house. It's really raining, it's like anything. Wow, it's a very, very beautiful setup house. You can see right between the nature. Right here is Punthanam, deity of Punthanam. It's kept here. May not be a deity, but statue. And here is little Krishna behind the house. It's a beautiful setup. I can't take you more inside because of the rain. So once Punthanam, he was going with everything that he wanted to take for Krishna. He was going on a bullock cart, and he was robbed. And the robbers were taking away everything. And while coming back from Guruvayur, actually, after he used to go there and recite Srimad Bhagavatam every Ekadashi. So when he was coming back, the robbers came. They took away everything from Punthanam, including his Srimad Bhagavatam. So when they were snatching the Srimad Bhagavatam, he was very, very worried. Oh, don't take my Srimad Bhagavatam. But they snatched it and took away. And immediately Punthanam prayed to Lord Krishna that how can I be in separation with Bhagavatam, which is Swayam Bhagavan. So there, as soon as the prayer happened, a very, very majestically strong king, he came on a horse and he beated all the robbers there and gave back everything to Punthanam, including the Bhagavatam. And Punthanam was very happy and he gave a ring. He gave his ring to that person and he asked, who are you? He said, I am the minister of the king here. So I heard your prayers and I came and I saved you. So he gave a ring. So the ring was taken. And later on, next day morning, Swayam Krishna came in the dream of the priest of Guruvayur Krishna, and he told, go and see, there is a ring in my hand, a devotee named Punthanam will come, give him that ring. So when the priest went and saw, there was actually a ring in the hand of Guruvayur Krishna, and then when Punthanam came, he gave that ring. So it became a very famous episode of devotion that Krishna is always protecting his devotees, and his devotee lives so far away from the temple, 100 kilometers away in this house. Right, and the small temple here, it's raining, so I could not show. It's not open at this point. So we are here to take darshan of the devotee's house, which is equal to a temple. Wherever Krishna is there with devotee, every place becomes a temple. So Punthanam ki jai, and this beautiful pastime of reciprocation to Punthanam ki jai. Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai. Hari Bol.